Hello, it's Nikki Cottom here, and for a while I've been thinking about doing this video on using essential oils or natural things to help promote whiteness in our teeth and health to our teeth. And for me, this all started when I first joined doTERRA. Okay. After a little while, my first daughter, she turned 1, and as we were making sure she hit all the milestones and all that, one of her front teeth that came in, it grew about halfway, and then it stopped growing. And so we were kind of just watching it to see what would happen. And her tooth, it stopped growing, it started turning yellowish, and then it started turning brownish. And she hadn't been bumped that I'm aware of. There was no reason why she needed to have a dead tooth at 1 year old. Now, later on, I connected the dots and realized it was my fault that I hadn't given her the proper nutrition, because as a mom back then, I didn't even know what was healthy to give my kids, right? So at that time, I was really looking for an answer. So I went to the doctor to see if there was an answer that could be given for, her tooth. And it looked like a snaggle tooth, like, something we didn't want in our daughter's mouth, especially right up front, and it was embarrassing. So we had been placing monthly orders in doTERRA, and we decided to give the toothpaste a try. Okay. Back then, we were barely scraping by. We were placing $100 to $150 orders every month. But to buy an $8.50 toothpaste, I mean, it felt like it was breaking the bank for us. But we tried so many other things. And so we finally decided to give it a go. And we got this toothpaste. And because it doesn't have fluoride in it, it says all natural whitening. We're like, yeah, we want her teeth to be whiter. And there are essential oils in it that are really good for oral hygiene and health. And having all the experiences that I had with essential oils up until that time, I was thinking, okay, I'm going to give this a try. So I bought this toothpaste, and every day, once a day, heaven forbid I am able to remember to brush my kids' teeth twice a day, right? So once a day in the evening, we just put a little bit on her tooth, a little baby toothbrush, and we brushed her teeth really good, tried to, hover a little bit over that one tooth for a little bit longer than, than normal. And we just used it as a regular toothpaste for her. We said, well, it's not getting any better anyway. The doctors don't have any answers for us. So we'll give it a go. I mean, we'll just keep using it. If something happens, great. If not, we're not worse off than we already are. So we decided to get the toothpaste, try it. Before the entire tube was gone, her tooth started turning from brown, started getting white again. And we were amazed, and we were like, oh my goodness. And it wasn't like the kind of white that bleaches your teeth. It was like healthy. You could see the health coming back to it. And so we were amazed, and then we just kept using the toothpaste because we were so excited. And after that, her tooth started